Hello friends, I'm Ibrahim Haddad and I'm here to answer to one of your questions. So let's see what's the problem. As you know, Adobe Photoshop is one of the most powerful tools for graphic designers. So one of my Persian friends asked me what should I do to use Persian language in the Photoshop, because when I installed the Photoshop I couldn't type Persian or Farsi language correctly. Here you can see I'm typing in the Photoshop. My language is Farsi and I'm typing hello in Persian, but the word is not correctly displayed. Later we can see the correct type of this word. It is salam or hello in Persian. Okay, what should we do? Here, yeah, here, first of all, I'm going to the edit menu. Yes, preferences and type option. Yes. Here at the right side you can see the Middle East language. We should choose it. We should pay attention to this subject that after this setting you should close your current document and open new one. Yes, it's not correct yet, so I will open new document. Then it's better to use this option. At the type menu, go to the language, then choose Middle East language. So let's continue. After opening new document, test it, new text, and yes, it's the word salam in Persian. It's the correct, and you can see that letters, yes, letters can show correctly. Okay friends, ask your questions. You can use my Instagram and YouTube account to ask your other questions and I will answer to them. Bye for now.